From day one, speaking Welsh, advertising in Welsh, offering products that have Welsh on the labels has been really key to the success of TK Maes.
Helo Blod is giving us more confidence to use Welsh in the shop. It's given us a presence which is quite unique to anyone else's.
I think using Welsh really helps bring communities together. I'd say 70% of my customers are based in Wales, and I think it's only right that I use the language of the country that I sell to.
If I have something coming up like an event, I will put an advert out on Facebook or on my website, and I'll get that translated with Helo Blod first.
As I'm a Welsh speaker, most of my translation I do myself, but it's nice to know that Helo Blod is there for me.
Without Helo Blod, having those things in Welsh would be a lot harder, and it would be expensive for a business to get them translated professionally.
I speak Welsh, but at a very basic level, and I don't think it's really good enough to use in my business. Helo Blod kind of fills that gap for me.
I would recommend Helo Blod's online service because you can easily get any of your small text translated if you're wanting to do a new menu or maybe some new signs. It's really easy and quick to use.
The response so far has been absolutely fantastic. I've had people coming in saying they learned to speak Welsh in the 70s and were a little bit shy over the years not to speak it, but now they're coming in and they're actually trying to speak Welsh and doing it really well.
If you're a business in Wales that wants to use Welsh, just use Helo Blod. It's free, it's fast. Gwasanaeth gwych.